Dear learners, hope you are all doing great. Today in class 8, we'll learn that how both eyes of Iron Man can be lightened up simultaneously, just like laser beams. Excited to know? So, here is few simple lines of code for this purpose. Step 1. Configure digital pins D4 and D7 as output pins, preparing them to be in active state. Pin mode 4, output, to activate Iron Man's laser light. Pin mode 7, output, to activate Iron Man's eyes when he is active. Step 2. Fire the beams. Here is the laser activation sequence. Digital write 4 high, that will turn on the laser. Digital write 7 high, that will turn on the eyes. Both will laser and eyes work simultaneously. Now blast will be hold for 0.5 seconds. Delay 500 means 500 milliseconds, or just half of a second. Step 4. Now power off the lasers. Digital write 4 low, digital write 7 low means now lasers will be shut down. Step 5. Recharge time. Delay 500 means Iron Man cooling down itself for 500 milliseconds for the next blast. With this, your Iron Man's laser eyes fire in perfect sync, powerful, flashy, and superhero ready. See you in next video with more fun with coding.